What's the meaning of blitzkrieg? Blitzkrieg. Blitzkrieg.
Blitzkrieg. Blitzkrieg. Blitzkrieg is a German word that literally means lightning war. The term refers to a military tactic that was used by the German army during World War II, which involved a sudden, overwhelming assault on an enemy using combined arms tactics such as tanks, artillery, and infantry. This tactic was intended to create shock and disorientation among the enemy, allowing German forces to rapidly advance and overwhelm their opponents. Blitzkrieg was used to great effect in the early years of the war, enabling Germany to swiftly conquer much of Europe. However, the tactic became less effective as the war progressed and Allied forces developed countermeasures to deal with it.